Hello kiddos and welcome to our today's phonics class. Today we are going to learn a new sound, but before we learn something new, let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. You can pause the video here and try to say these sounds yourself, or you can repeat them after me. T, s, a, e, p, n, k, k, a. Hope you already know them. And now it's story time. Be careful because you will find the sound in the story. So listen to the story very carefully. This is the story of Robert and his dog. Robert's family has a new puppy. They have to choose a name for him. Robert's parents like Rover, but Robert likes Ben. Robert can't decide. He goes up to his bedroom with the puppy to fetch his roller skates. While Robert looks for the roller skates, the puppy explores the bedroom. Suddenly, Robert hears a rough "Urr." The puppy has found a blanket and is shaking it from side to side. Robert gets hold of the blanket and tries to pull it away. But the puppy hangs on tightly, going "Urr, urr, urr." The blanket rips. "Oh dear," says Robert, holding up the ripped blanket. "This looks like a rag now. I know, we'll call you Rags from now on." So from that day, Robert's puppy has got the name Rags. And do you remember what was the sound that the puppy was making when he was trying to pull the blanket? It was "Err, err, err." And that's our today's sound. You can pause your video here and try to find out some things in the picture that have sound. For example, rain, roses, rabbit, rat, and so on. Try to find them out yourself. If you want to do the action of you need to pretend to be a puppy pulling a rag and shake your head from side to side, saying er, er, er. Let's try it. It's fun. And after this, we'll see that how we write This is the shape of Please put your fingers up in the air and move them along with my finger. Make a straight line down, up, and turn out. Say the sound. Let's try it once again. Go straight down, up on the same line, out. You are bravo. Well done. Now, if you have this worksheet with you, try to write yourself, or you can also write on a piece of paper. Let's get it started. Go down, up, out. Down, up, out. Er, 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 er. After writing this, try to write it yourself in the lines. Remember, is a short letter. You should write it in just these blue lines. And Kudos to you. I hope you have done it very nicely. Here are some pictures as well. Let's say the name of them. Rolling pin, rib cage, road. Let's move on to our next worksheet. Now please say the names of these pictures and circle the one in which you hear Let's get it started. Rat or pot. Rat, pot. rat. Wow. Hope you have circled the same thing. X, roller skate. Eggs, roller skates. Roller skates. Rose or key. Rose, key. Rose. Ring, pin. Ring, pin. Ring. Tooth, rocket. Tooth, rocket. I hear in rocket. I believe that you have got the right answers. Otherwise, say these words again and again and try to listen the sound at the beginning of them. Let's see another worksheet for practice now. In this worksheet, we need to put a check below for things that have sound in them and cross out the others. Right? So what is the name of the first picture? Rainbow. Rainbow. Do you hear in rainbow? It's a yes. Sofa. 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 No. Rain. Rain. Do you hear Yes. Captain. 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 I don't hear it. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Do you hear in rhino? Rhino? Yes. Toy box. Toy box. Do you hear here? No, we don't. And now it's your creativity time. You can draw here something that has sound in it. And if you have done this, let's do my favorite part, that is blending of sounds. Now we are going to read some words, so please be very careful. Try to follow me. And if you think you can do it yourself, so do it yourself. Just pause the video. A, rat, rat. Say quickly. Rat. Wow, you read it. A, ra, ran. Quickly. Ran. A, rack. Rack. Quickly. Rack. Remember that curvy k is scared of a, so whenever it comes after a, it brings his friend, the kicking k. So after a, you will write two letter k, curvy k and kicking k together. E, re, p, rip. Quickly, rip. And now we have a last word, a, re, s, rest. Rest. Quickly, rest. You can have some rest now. No. Please don't take any rest because we are about to finish our lesson. Let's do the segmenting part of the lesson. Do you have your notebooks ready? I'm going to say a few words to you. Please listen to the sounds carefully and write those words down in your notebook. The first word is rat. Finger tap the word. How many sounds do you hear? A, t, rat. Now let's write these sounds. We know this is then a, ra, t, rat. Well done. This is the right word, rat. Please try to write the word rip. Rip. Finger tap it. E, p, rip. Let's write the sounds now. Hope you have got the right spelling. Let's try to write an alien word now. The word is res. Res. Finger tap your word, please. A, s, res. Remember, this is an alien word. First write it. A, re, s, res. And now draw an alien after it. So you remember that this is not a real word. Last word is ran. Ran. Finger tap the sounds. A, Write the sounds now. A, Read the word ran. And now, as a treat, you can take out your coloring worksheet. Here you have some pictures, but remember you need to color only in the pictures that have sound in them, right? So the first picture is of a rabbit. Then we have envelope, ring, cow, robot. Say these words again and again. Find out where do you have the sound, and then you can color in them. And the last part is some homework. So you need to find 5 objects in your home that have sound in them. And with the help of your mother, you can also write on the piece of paper with rice, because rice also has sound. Rice. And this is the end of our today's class. I hope you have got something useful from it. I hope you have learned this sound very well. Keep repeating the sounds at home. I'll see you soon with a new video. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.